Let's impress ourselves, shall we? And by that I mean impressing our subconscious with our desires. Neville gives us a fabulous description about our unconditioned awareness, which is God the Father. He says it this way. He says, your consciousness, or your I am, is the unlimited potential upon which impressions are made. He says impressions are defined states pressed upon your I am. Your consciousness, or your I am, can be likened to a sensitive film. Why? Because it's unconditioned, and what we want to do is impress our I am consciousness with that which we want to be. So it's like a sensitive film, excuse me. Neville says we can impress upon it, and he also tells us how. He says you can impress or record a message of love or a hymn of hate. Ooh, a wonderful symphony or discordant jazz. You know Neville tells it in his fabulous elocution, as he does. It says it does not matter what the nature or of the impression might be. Your I am will, without a murmur, willingly receive and sustain all impressions. So that's what he means when he says good, bad, or indifferent. It doesn't matter what you react to, it makes an impression on our Father. It does, actually, basically. What we want to do is get into our meditative state, which I'll do another video on, where we're totally relaxed. We've closed our door to the senses, and we're in that fabulous feeling of actually floating, a psychological term. When you've reached that state, that's when you can impress your subconscious with your desires, as in, what could we say? I am financially free. I am married. Wow. And all the other fabulous inner conversations that you've practiced and you tell yourself all day long, you also do it in your meditation, which is what we're talking about here, where you're in the state of nothing seems impossible to you because you're in your unconditioned I am consciousness, which is like a film that you can impress with your wishes and desires. So there you go, my darlings. Impress yourself and impress me with your comments about what you've manifested. I'll be back with some more videos. Big fat kiss, because I'm all about love up here. Drop a comment and follow for more, my darlings. Bye.